Oh, hi guys, Shep from Tool Connection here. In this week's episode, we're going to take a look at some tools for all you car enthusiasts out there who may not be at work at the moment, but maybe at home taking care of your loved ones. So the first product we're going to look at today, guys, are for gaining access to the underside of your vehicle. If, for instance, like this vehicle here, you can't get the trolley jack underneath the sill, let me introduce our low-rise, reinforced plastic car ramps. A pair of ramps there that give you a lift of around about 3 inches. Simply drive the vehicle on. You can now get your trolley jack under the sill and jack your vehicle up. If you want to gain the vehicle more access, you could then opt for the larger ramps here, which will give you around about 7 inches of lift. So now, with our vehicle securely on the low-rise ramps, we can now install our trolley jack underneath the vehicle and start jacking it up. The next products we're going to show you today, guys, are Ratchet Spanners. I have here 3 of the current kits in the Laser Tools range. The first set here is this fixed head ratchet spanner set, covering from 8mm to 19mm, with a fixed ratchet head. The second set we have is now in this presentation foam, so it looks very pretty in your toolbox, but now it has a flexible head with your ratchet as well. The final one we have is a little bit more unusual. We'll just grab one out of here. Ratchet Spanners fixed head, but now in AF. So if you're working on a classic vehicle or an American vehicle, these may be of choice to yourselves. For the next items, we'll head upstairs and take a look at some products from our Gunton range. So here we are upstairs in our Gunton department. So the first product we've got to show you from the Gunton range is this famous Eezibleed Kit. Within this kit we have a bottle which we simply fill with brake fluid. You have 4 different caps within the kit. You simply connect that to your vehicle master cylinder reservoir and then attach the air supply attachment to your vehicle spare tyre, not exceeding 20 psi. You can then go around the vehicle, open the bleed nipples and watch as fluid and air flows from the vehicle. It is a simple 1-person pressure bleeder. The next product we've got to show you from our Gunton range is this ever popular Colortune kit. The kit consists of a very simple spark plug. This spark plug has a glass element in the centre, which when threaded into your cylinder head of your vehicle, allows you to see into the cylinder while the vehicle is running. While you're adjusting your mixture on your carburettor, you can see your combustion flame within the cylinder changing colour. For difficult access vehicles, we have an extension here which can thread onto the top of this spark plug, and a tube with a mirror on it there. So if you're in a difficult access vehicle like a VW Beetle, for instance, we can now see down the side of the cylinder there also. The Gunton Colortune kit is available in 3 different sizes, 10, 12 and 14mm, covering cars and motorcycles. For the next product, we'll head over to our Connect Workshop consumables range. So the product that we've got to show you from our Connect range is this Superseal Connector Kit. The kit consists of wiring connectors, male and female, from single pin to 6 pin. So it allows you to do a permanent vehicle wiring repair which is watertight and looks OE. The ideal crimping tool to use with this kit is from the Laser Tools range. This is a great kit for making a professional wiring repair. So guys, that's it for today. Until next time, stay connected and stay safe.